Assalamu alaikum. I am reading a report by Ambur Express. Please listen to it. Dr. K.H. Kalimullah, Principal in charge of Mazharlum College, Autonomous, Ambur, was honored with an award of excellence during the 80th Independence Day celebration organized by the Tamil Nadu State Urdu Academy, Department of Higher Education, Government of Tamil Nadu in Chennai. The award ceremony was held at the auditorium of Government Qaida Millat College for Women, Chennai, under the presidency of Dr. Muhammad Naimur Rahman, Vice Chairman of the Tamil Nadu State Urdu Academy. The event was attended by Thiru A.M. Shah Jahan, Minister for Minorities Welfare, Government of Tamil Nadu, along with Justice G.M. Akbar Ali, former Judge of the Madras High Court, and Dr. Professor Vistali Sankara Rao, Director, URI, University of Madras, as guests of honor. Dr. Kalimullah received the recognition for his service and contribution to the promotion of the Urdu language and education. The honor was presented in the presence of academicians, educationists, Urdu scholars, and other distinguished guests. The recognition marks a proud moment for Mazharlum College and Ambur, celebrating the contribution of an educator towards language, learning, and education. We also extend our hearty congratulations to Dr. K.H. Kalimullah, Principal in charge of Mazharlum College, Autonomous, Ambur. Thank you for your listening.